Right now is a hard time for all of us. We're supposed to be at Hartwick concluding the year. Seniors are supposed to be graduating in May. High school seniors are still deciding their futures, choosing a college, and looking forward to prom. It is hard to believe that we are finishing the last couple of weeks of the semester online. This pandemic hit us hard, and you may be wondering, why do we have to self-quarantine? The coronavirus spread rapidly throughout the state, throughout the country, and throughout the entire world. Turning on the news each morning, we see the numbers of people who are infected rising faster and faster each day. It seems more and more real as the people in our communities become infected. During this time, it is good to remain calm and stay in our homes. We do not only do this for ourselves, but the people around us, for it slows or could even stop the spread of COVID-19. As you probably know, COVID-19 is an infectious disease that started in Wuhan, China in December of 2019. You may ask yourself, why is it important for me to stay 6 feet away from the people around me? According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, social distancing is defined as deliberately increasing the physical space between people to avoid spreading illness. Social distancing includes working from home, switching to online classes like we're doing right now, not able to see family members or friends in person, the cancellation of gathering of large crowds, which includes concerts and meetings. All of these variables are because the coronavirus can be spread so easily. COVID-19 spreads person to person through small droplets that are expelled from the nose or mouth when a person coughs, sneezes, or even speaks. The droplets that are emitted from either you or another person's mouth or nose could get anyone infected because you or another person could breathe that in. It is good to wear a mask while out and about, either getting essentials or maybe it is mandatory for you to wear a mask while you're at work. So masks you can wear are this regular mask, this N95 mask, which is the most protected, or we supported a local business and we got these reusable masks, which we can just wash and wear again. So also, we are told to wash our hands so frequently. Why are we told that? This is because the droplets that are coming from your mouth or nose could land on objects such as doorknobs, tables, packages, or really any object that you touch. You can become infected by touching any of these objects or surfaces. You may not even realize, but we have the tendency to touch our faces a lot. So it is good to wear gloves when you're out, and it is good to stay away from touching your face, such as your eyes, nose, or mouth, when you are out and about, like I'm doing right now, because if you happen to touch an object which has these droplets and then touch your face, such as your eyes, nose, or mouth, you can become infected. It is important to wash your hands regularly with soap and water or to use hand sanitizer. It is also extremely important to wear gloves while out for essentials because you don't know who touched any of these items you might be purchasing. When my mom goes food shopping, she makes sure to wear layers, she wears a mask and gloves. Also, when she brings in the groceries that she purchased, she wipes off each and everything that she bought because the spread of germs. And this is crazy, but this is the time we're living in right now, and this is a way to keep ourselves safe and it reduces the spread of germs. According to the World Health Organization, many people with COVID-19 experience only mild symptoms. This is particularly true in the early stages of the disease. It is possible to catch COVID-19 from someone who has just had a mild cough and does not feel ill. So according for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it could take anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks for symptoms to show. Some common symptoms might include fever, cough, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, chills, muscle pains, headache, sore throat, and new loss of taste or smell. It is important to seek medical attention if you have a fever, pressure in your chest, confusion, and difficulty breathing. In some cases, you might not even know you have the coronavirus. Some people are just considered carriers, and they might have mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. The World Health Organization has also confirmed some reports have indicated that that people with no symptoms can transmit the virus. That is another reason why we should all be self-quarantining. Being a carrier means you can pass it on to anyone, even if you don't feel sick. Make sure to protect the people around you, because as of right now, there is no vaccine, drug, or treatment for COVID-19. If you notice you might have the signs and symptoms that I named before, it is best to get tested. Coronavirus testing differs based on where you live. According to the CDC, if you have symptoms, it is best to call your health provider first because your test must be ordered by a doctor. The test isn't conducted in a regular doctor's office or in a hospital. Most test centers are located in a parking lot, but it depends on where you live. The doctor performing the test on you will be wearing protective gear and will collect samples, which involve swabbing your nose. It only takes a few seconds and it is mildly uncomfortable. It is hard to stay quarantined for so long. You may feel as if you're stuck forever, but these times will change soon. But only if we continue this process of self-quarantining. Leaving your house for necessities, of course, is fine, but we shouldn't be leaving our houses to go hang out with friends or family. A good way to keep your mind clear during this time is go for a walk. Walks will clear your mind and help you focus a little more. If you have family members, go on walks with them as well, for it is a great way to bond and to get out of the house in a healthy way. Another thing I thought was helpful, other than binging Netflix all day, is painting. Painting is relaxing and a good way to get your mind off of everything going on in the world around us. I commend all of you who are essential workers during this time. I'm sure you are all working diligently to keep yourself safe and the people around you safe. It is amazing what we can all do to protect ourselves and the people around us. Lastly, during this time, it is important to think about our future. What can we do to help speed up this process? Well, like I've been saying throughout the speech, make sure to continue self-quarantining. Wash your hands, wear masks while going out, and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and face. This is beneficial not only your eyes, nose, and mouth on your face. This is beneficial not only to our health, but the health of the people around us. Think about our families, from little baby cousins to grandparents. Don't you want to keep them safe? This is now. This is our future. And who knows how long this will continue if we don't take action and self-quarantine. Thank you all, and stay healthy and safe.